Hi guys, so we're moving some things around at the shop. Figured I'd get Teddy out. For those of you that don't know, 68 GMC short bed. It's actually not all factory body panels, but it is all OG paint. 5.3 LS with a 4L60, some airbag components, Detroit steel wheels, Continental tires, Orla Pro XS exhaust, not real loud, but definitely run out in a perfect spot back here. You can hear a little miss because it's only running on 7 cylinders right now, but we're gonna get that sorted out. Just a cool old farm truck.